So for this hands-on practice, we're going to configure a light yellow transparent text and configure a web page. So we're going to continue to work off of that web page we just did, our RGBA. So this is what it looked like to start with. So we're going to come here, we're going to save this one as hsla.html. Again, we're going to delete all our style declarations for our H1. We're going to create new style rules that give it 20 pixels of padding, a serif light yellow text with 0.8 alpha value, a font size of 6 EM. Not all browsers support HSLA colors, so we're going to configure the colors twice. First instance will be a standard color value that's supported by all modern browsers. The second will configure our HSLA color. Older browsers don't understand HSLA color, so they're simply going to ignore it. So we're going to come down here, we're going to go with our first color. HSLA 60, 100%, 90%, and 0.08. Make sure I have my 5 declarations this time so I don't end up like before. Font family, so we want a serif now. So we're going to go with Georgia Times New Roman and serif. Font size 6 EM, padding 20 pixels. So save this, run it, and so now instead of this white, now we have a serif that's a light yellow. Again, just a couple lines of code in our style sheet configures it for us.